Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of videos from daily food hauls, weekly food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, Boots hauls, Superdrug hauls and other type of hauls. I also do beauty box unboxings of things such as trainers, makeup palettes, watches and other variety of things. So if that's the type of video that you enjoy watching, then please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today's video, as the title suggests, is the Degustabox for March. So the first item are these Smarties and Milky Bar mixed mini eggs. Smarties and Milky Bar have mixed the mini eggs, perfect for sharing with the family, and the retail price of this is £3. Then we have a Mr. Lee's Hong Kong Street Beef. Mr. Lee's Noodles. Mr. Lee's an award-winning range of 6 premium noodles in a cup, certified gluten-free and low in sugar, also low in saturated fats and calories, and with absolutely no nasties. They uniquely use freeze-dried ingredients to ensure that the product locks in the nutrients and the flavour. So the beef tastes like beef, the ginger tastes like ginger, and the bamboo tastes like, you get the picture. Vegan options are also available. So there was 2 potential flavours. There was the street beef or the dragon fire vegetable flavour. I got the beef one, and apparently these are $2.99 each. How cute are them? Roald Dahl's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory orange fruit drink. I don't tend to like orange drinks, so I will be giving these to someone. And it says, Happy Kids Co. Roald Dahl drinks, boasting beloved book characters Matilda, BFG and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The wholesome Roald Dahl range encourages kids' thirst for reading whilst keeping them hydrated. Vegan approved and low in calories, the glorious drinks contain no GMOs, gluten, added sugars or artificial preservatives, making them perfect for lunch boxes. I could have received 3 different flavours, blackcurrant and apple. I would prefer the blackcurrant ones, but I got orange, and these are only $1.29 for a pack of 3, which I think is good value. I think when I was subscribed over a year ago, I got a couple of things by this brand. It looks really good, and this is cereal or Cheerio. Don't know how you say it, but pasta sauce. Be the first in the UK to try cereal premium peeled plum tomatoes in 2 new pasta sauce recipes made with 100% top Italian ingredients for a genuine and tasty dish. Simply heat the fruit and serve piping hot and add cooked pasta. This looks really good. Like, I don't know if it's showing the colour of it, but it looks really tasty. I'm looking forward to trying that. Encona Carolina Reaper Chili Sauce. Explore the ultimate heat and flavour combination of Encora Limited Edition Carolina Reaper Chili Sauce. This scorching blend of the world's hottest chili peppers, tomatoes and spices will challenge even the bravest of chili lovers. Why not use in a marinade and create your own hot wing challenge or supercharged soups and one-pot dishes by adding a few drops whilst cooking. $1.49. I don't think I'll use this. I'm probably going to give this away. I can't handle anything super hot, and this sounds like it is hot. Heffervol Flapjack Limited Edition Lebkuchen. Heffervol Flapjacks are the first 100% natural oat bars without added sugar, cheap stuffing or other chemical additives. Gently handmade and oven baked, they always taste homemade. £1.99. I'm actually looking forward to this. I'm going away on Thursday the 22nd for a week, and I think I'm going to take this to eat on my journey. Looks really nice, and it looks like the type of thing that I enjoy. Tenzing Natural Energy. Tenzing Natural Energy is crafted from 6 natural ingredients: green coffee, guarana, green tea, Himalayan rock salt, beet, sugar and lemon juice. Contains only 55 calories per can and absolutely nothing artificial. £1.99. I only like one energy drink, and if you watch my daily food hauls you'll know which one. Generally when I try anything natural like this I don't like it, but of course I will try this, and it's a really nice can. There's a lot of drinks in this box. And this one is the Ribena Pineapple and Passion Fruit. Ribena is excited to announce the new pineapple and passion fruit to its much loved squash range. This ultimate tasty treat has no added sugar and contains less than 15 calories per 250ml serving. Available to buy from March, Ribena Pineapple and Passion Fruit squash is the perfect tropical accompaniment to all meal times. I'm hoping this tastes as good as it sounds and it tastes like the actual flavours instead of tasting artificial. As I said, I do love the original one. This is priced at $2.49, so it'd be interesting to see what this is like. And this is the final item. I've seen this in the shop a lot and I've always been curious about it because I love shreddies and I love shredded wheat and bite-sized shreddies and I like granola, so I'm interested to see what this is like. This is the Shreddies Max Granola. Shreddies Max Granola is a delicious combination of crunchy oat clusters with shredded pieces. Made with 74% whole grain, high in fibre and a good source of protein to maximise your morning. £2.59. Probably going to have these for breakfast. They sound amazing and I've nearly picked them up quite a few times in the shop. So that is absolutely everything in this month's box. I'm really pleased with it. The only thing that I won't eat or drink is the orange drinks, the Roald Dahl ones. I love the idea behind it because I grew up reading Roald Dahl and I love the stories. I think that's the only thing I won't try. The Smarties and Milky Bar mini eggs I'm going to also give away because I don't like Nestle chocolate. And I'm going to give away the chilli sauce, but everything else I'm definitely going to try. I'm looking forward to trying the Ribena. As I said, I love the blackcurrant one, so I'm interested to see what that tastes like. I want to try the cereal and the pasta sauce, and of course the noodles and the flapjack. Also, there is actually a voucher for a free pack of cheese strings. I've had these before and I didn't like them. They were horrible. They weren't my type of thing, but I will still pick it up and I will give it to someone else who I think will enjoy it. So that's all the box contents. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll reply. As I said earlier in the video, if you've not already subscribed, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll be back again next month with another Degustabox unboxing. Thank you for watching everyone, bye!